Well, hello there. My name is Puppy Pup. Sometimes they call me Fluffy. You can call me that if you want. I want to show you all my friends. Hold on, I have to call them with my phone. Oh, beep, beep, beep. Jamie? Yes, I need you to come here. My friends here want to get you something. Well, of course you nitwit. It is me, Fluffy. See you tonight. Beep. My friends are coming. Hello?
Oh my god. Did you order pizza?
No.
Well, there's a guy saying he wants pizza from you.
Well, I think you ordered it.
I did not. I'm at work.
Oh, okay. Bye. Beep. 1 minute, please. I have to talk to my friends. They're outside. Yeah, 1 second, guests.
Hey guys.
Oh, hi. Where's the rest?
We're almost coming.
Wait, I thought I was just talking to them in the back.
They're coming.
I was just talking to them.
You what? What did they say?
They said they're gonna come inside when they're finished smoking. No, they didn't smoke. Just kidding. They wanted
were.
to. No, they weren't.
Yeah, no, we were smoking. Look.
Okay.
We're gonna go to smoke again.
No, wait, you get drunk? Oh, I forgot his lungs. Oh, why did I forget? What kind of friend am I? Wait. What kind of friend am I? Hi. What is this, a dream? Hello.
This is on. Is it?
Hey, that's my line. I am so sorry, guests. Little boy, I think you smell disgusting.
Behind you. I said behind you.
Yes? What are you doing? You trying to shoot a little doggy? Ah,
Give me that money.
forget about him. Bye, guys.